Guess what? It's our Engineering Open House Day Paper Plane Challenge now, everybody. I hope you're ready for this. So we'll just move some of this detritus of the experiment over here. In fact, I'm going to get rid of the liquidy bits off, so just in case we don't want to... let me find an assistant over here somewhere. Thank you very much. I'm going to come back round this way. Excellent. So, you know the score, do you? You've got 30 seconds. Not 30 seconds. 30? Halved it. You've got 30 seconds now. No, we've got 60 seconds. Other people's are out there. The rules are on the screen at the moment for you at home, but if you find an adult to film this paper aeroplane, if you're going to join in as well, just use a piece of A4 paper. You've got 60 seconds, make your aeroplane. Then you've got to see how far you can throw it across your room, make someone film it as you do it in one continuous film. The distance your plane has flown must be measured on the film. Then you send in the video, submit it to us via Twitter, Facebook or Instagram and use the hashtag EOHD paperplane and include your child's name and age as we've 3 prizes up for grabs, 3 different age categories, 5 to 7, 8 to 10 and 11 to 13. There we go. And the competition will close sometime around 3 p.m. BST, which is British Summer Time, on Friday the 27th of August 2021 and the leader in each age category will win the prize. Terms and conditions apply, so please head over to our website before you join in. Whew. Right, that's all that bit. Great. Now, Amber, are you ready for this? We're going to count you in with a 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm going to clear my screen. It's on 0, 0. I've got my whistle somewhere. Get the P rattling. Okay, so is everybody ready in the studio? Let's count Amber in with a 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And she's off. Here we go. We've got... I nearly said 30 again then. There's people shouting you on here. That's because the hydrogen experiment went so well. Very much excited in the studio here. So she's got like already about 13, 14 seconds in here. Are you going for a standard dart here or are you doing something slightly different? The wing's there. Oh, she's going back. She's redoing that little section there.
Refining. You're
on 25 seconds here. There's no panic yet. There's another fold coming in. So it's a double fold dart shape, this one, ladies and gentlemen. 30 seconds we're up to now. It's going very well though. No panic. It's amazing how people are so unpanicked by all of this. I've still got to do this. It's not going to be like this when I do it, I can assure you. Okay, we've got 44 seconds on the clock now. Just the last few folds here. I think this is going to work beautifully. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just not working, this whistle anymore. How's that?
I mean, it's a little bit lopsided, but we'll see.
I think this
it might
could be
not
doing
go
all
straight.
right. Well, we know the score now. If you come round to our little runway over here, I shall get the measuring machine ready. And this is where we get to the exciting bit, really. So you've got your little white lines there. If you take your foot over and you've letting go of it after your foot's gone over, it's a DNF. It's did not fly. Okay, we haven't had a did not fly yet, so it'd be quite exciting to have a did not fly, a little bit. But not from you, Amber. We want this to go all the way because your hydrogen worked a treat. Can't believe it. So where do you think you're gonna?
I mean, I'd like to win, obviously.
Well, at the moment, Dangerous Dan is actually past the end of the studio and right up the other end by the doors. So he absolutely, I don't know how he did it. We've got it on film, but it's absolutely remarkable.
I mean, I feel like I need to do something
you can
for
do
the
a run
ladies.
Up. You can do a run up as long as your feet stay behind when you throw it, that's fine. So are we ready? Let's count Amber in then in 3, 2, 1, go! Oh! That is amazing! It's literally in the dark part of the studio, right up the other end. Not quite as far as Dangerous Dan, I don't think, but we'll get the measuring tool out. That is brilliant. Right, we're going to get the measure out. Let's have a look down here. Okay. Got 12 metres. Do it one more time. Just get your hand up there. It's 11.71 metres. That's fantastic. Absolutely brilliant. 11.71 metres.
I'm happy with that.
That means I've got to move everybody. That's
sorry.
Brilliant. I don't mind. No, don't say sorry. 11 point... It'll stay on there. We're fine. Keep going. Keep going. Oh, look at that. You've just jumped over the top of Mr. World. Can you believe it? Right, so Amber... Your colleagues will be thrilled. Amber, 11.711 metres. We'll call it a wet track. No, that's a different game. Right, there we go for your car nutters out there. So that's 11.711 metres. Amber, what a fantastic throw. Well done, Amber. You've absolutely smashed that.